Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining us and I hope you return. We're going to take a look at something here because, as you may notice, it's been Mark III, Mark I, and no love for the Vet. But that's not the case, guys. You see, I bought something for it that I've seen floating around. I've seen really good reviews for it on the Corvette forums and stuff. So I bought one of these Revosol wheels. Where the hell is the opening? There it is.
How much tape do you need?
So, oh, there's more tape, Jesus Christ. Let's see here. Everybody said, oh, don't do this, the quality's gonna be terrible. Well, here we go, guys. I'm taking this literally out of the box for the first time, and we're gonna decide right now, together, if we think this is bad quality or not. All right, we ready? Oh, that's cool, I can put this on one of my pipes. Anyways, I don't know, guys. This looks pretty good and it feels great. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I got red stitched seats, so wow, this is great. All right, well, we'll get to installing this real shortly, so we'll come along for the ride and we'll see how it looks once it's done. Those are gonna get wrapped carbon fiber, I think, because I don't like the silver, so we're gonna do that and life will be good. But yeah, dang, that looks good. So stay tuned and we'll see how this is to install. Shouldn't be too bad, I hope. All right, guys, so now the time has come. We can get putting our Revosol wheel in here. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is this airbag off of here. I did the one side to make sure I knew where it was, but if you turn the wheel, there's a notch right here, and you have to take something about like this, and you'll go in, and you pop. You lift up on the handle of your screwdriver. Get that done. Oh. Huge thing to remember, disconnect the battery before you take an airbag out, because A, you'll get an airbag light, B, you could detonate it. You probably won't, but that's what you have to be mindful of. Now we're gonna go ahead, I need a flat head for this. Next thing we're gonna have to do here is pop off the airbag connectors, which I believe should be able to pry these up. So all we have to do is pry this up a little bit, enough that we can squeeze these tabs, and boom, airbag is out. All right, step one complete. 21 mil. Let's find out. Sure is. Look at my impact. Well, that was easy. Okay, steering wheel nut is removed. They say you need to mark it, but if you look carefully, what you'll see, I'm sorry if the lighting's bad, you see this arrow up top and the notch that is in the steering shaft? Well, those line up. Now we're going to need torque spits for this. You know the nice thing about putting a steering wheel in? You can sit down and work. So, now that this plate is released, we will unclip that from it. And that will be all good. We're obviously going to have to disconnect this, so we will unplug this. And that's good. So these are going to come out through the steering wheel frame. Just remember how you had this too, because when you go to put it back together, you're going to feel stupid if you don't remember, and then you have a hard time. So first thing we have to do here is going to be to pop out these switches, because obviously there's some wiring that goes to them that I have to disconnect. And now a good practice too is, if it's going to be a minute until you put things back together, just put the screws back in the holes they came from and carry on. I think I'm willing to try that. Let's give it a shot, guys. Oh, I think we got it. We did. There we go. All right, guys, that's out. Now, all I have to do is take the back of this off of here, and we'll swap it onto our new wheel. Got it. Okay. What are we stuck on still? There we go. Well, let's get our switches out, which is good because I need it cleaned around anyways. These are kind of grungy, to be quite honest. Alright, so These we're going to try to wrap in carbon fiber looking stuff because it'll look better. If not, we'll paint them. No big deal. Okay, so that makes sense now. Excellent. Now we can go ahead and stick the back cover on. Hopefully that'll fit like stock. Let's find out. Let's find out. There we go. There it goes. Boom, boom. And pop these little screws in. Actually, should be able to use my screwdriver. Well, that was fairly simple so far. Now, oh, this is gonna look great, guys. I'm really excited for this. Look at that. Oh, there's my old man knee cracking. And now, I'll bring back Mr. Impact. Okay, real fast, since we're not quite finished yet, but I'm curious, let's compare. It's just a little bigger, not bad, perfect. I think that's good. All right, great. We're done for now, guys, so I will check back with you in a minute once I get my wrapping done on those little trim pieces. Be right back. Alrighty, so we had to do one thing off camera because it's a pain in the butt, and we vinyl wrapped the switch piece. There we go. Alright, so now we got that back in. We just got to put this screw back, and we can call this a job done. There we go. That fits up pretty good, actually. And then we just have to put the airbag back in, and we're done. Everything's back in. And that's what we got. Ugh. That looks so much better. Much updated. Alright, cool. Well, that should do it for that video, guys. That's pretty easy. I just got to put the battery back on, but I'll take care of that on my own. So, as always, thanks for watching. And so, once again, everybody, thanks for watching. If you're new here, I appreciate your time, and I hope you return. But remember, guys, if your project doesn't have bonus parts, it might not actually be a project. So get out there and find some spare parts on your cars, and catch you in the next one. Beep, beep, boop, beep, boop, whoop.